Hey guys, welcome back. This is HK with techrapt here, and a stable update is rolling out right now for OnePlus 6T users for the OxygenOS version 9.0.7. The rollout is staged, so you might not be getting the update right now, but you can get it on your phone over the air by changing your location to Canada using any VPN app. Once you get connected to the respective country, check for updates. You will get the update notification now. Then you can disconnect the VPN and download the update, or you can download it with the VPN depending on your preference. So about the update, the size is 100 MB with locked bootloader. Regarding the changelog, the update brings a couple of bug fixes and stability improvements for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the system, and this update also brings the much awaited audio tuner support for Type-C bullets and bullets wireless earphones. So I have downloaded the update and installed it. Now I have rebooted back. The system update is getting finalized and now it's complete. First, let's check the OS details. Settings, about phone. OxygenOS version is 9.0.7, Android version is 9.0.5, security patch level is still of November 1 and the build date is November 27. Getting back to the changes, first they have improved the stability for Wi-Fi connection and also for Bluetooth connection for better connectivity. Next, they have added the audio tuner support for Bluetooth earphones. It means the tuner works for all Bluetooth earphones and not just the bullets wireless. The audio tuner now also supports any Type-C earphones including OnePlus Type-C bullets, which is definitely great news. You can find this audio tuner option under Sound tab, and as you can see, with bullets wireless earphones connected, now you can enable the audio tuner, adjust the frequency, change the presets. And under the sound enhancement tab, you have additional profiles now like OnePlus bullets wireless, Type-C bullets earphones and also Apple AirPods. Next, they have optimized standby power consumption. If you aren't aware, there is an option to enable this feature. If you go to battery tab, battery optimization, 3-dot menu at the top right corner, advanced optimization and sleep standby optimization. Next, they have fixed the display issues for the lock screen wallpaper. I'm not sure what exactly the issue is. It could be related to the event reminder display on the lock screen, but now everything seems to be fine. The in-display FP sensor is also fine. It worked 10 out of 10 times for me. It is fast, but you have to make sure that you are positioning your finger at the exact spot. Next, the camera app slow motion video performance is also improved for recording 1080p videos at 240 frames per second and 720p videos at 480 frames per second, and the camera app version is 2.10.11. And that's it. Unlike OnePlus 6, the shelf night mode was working even with the launcher version 3.1.3 when the phone's UI is set to dark mode, so it's nothing new. About the benchmarks, Antutu version 7 score is 2,95,566 while it was 2,92,756 with 9.0.6, and these are the individual component scores, and yes, the score got better with this update. Next, with Geekbench 4, single core and multi-core scores are 2367 and 8937 while they were 2427 and 8977 with previous update, and there's a slight decline here. That is all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos on 6T. Goodbye and see you soon.